Most enterprises currently face a sharp contradiction. They have the ambition to launch new digital experiences, but their momentum stops at the hardware level. On average, 80% of an IT budget is now consumed by the cost of simply keeping legacy systems running. This resource drain is compounded by fragmented data. Critical information is often trapped across disconnected on-premise servers and isolated cloud environments, preventing a unified view of the business. It shows up most clearly in the development cycle. A mobile team may want to launch a simple in-store inventory feature, but they are forced to wait 6 months for the custom back-end integrations. These delayed launches and soaring costs are the direct result of an interconnected web of aging systems, a structure where every new feature requires a complex, manual workaround. SoftChoice addresses this by moving beyond the cycle of patching old code. The objective is a transition from basic maintenance to infrastructure built for a specific business purpose. When 80% of the budget is locked into hardware maintenance, the capacity for innovation disappears. Eventually, the cost of supporting the past makes it impossible to invest in the future. Modernization begins by separating what the user sees from what the back-end does. Google Cloud Apigee provides a decoupling layer that removes friction between front-end applications and legacy complexities. This changes the mathematics of a product launch. A process requiring 6 months of custom integration now takes 6 days. Internal teams use a self-service portal to subscribe to an in-production inventory API, getting access keys, documentation, and a sandbox instantly. This also opens a path for monetization. You can package your existing data, like logistics trends or audience insights, into tiered API products and manage the billing for every external call. To protect these endpoints, an AI-powered security layer identifies and blocks bot attacks and data scrapers before they ever reach your core systems. Decoupling these applications allows the IT department to function as a scalable digital factory. Speed at the application layer is useless if the underlying data is unreliable. Most organizations suffer from conflicting metrics, where different departments pull different numbers for the same KPI. Google BigQuery provides a serverless environment that unifies these disparate flows. It centralizes your data without manual infrastructure management. Through BigQuery Omni, you analyze data stored in AWS or Azure using the BigQuery interface, gaining a unified view without moving files. Once the data is centralized, you can apply BigQuery ML. This allows analysts to build and run predictive models, like forecasting stock levels, using standard SQL queries directly inside the warehouse. This environment eliminates traditional maintenance tasks. There is no vacuuming, indexing, or patching required, freeing up the engineering team for higher-value work. A unified data lakehouse provides the immediate foundation for strategic, data-driven decision-making. Transitioning away from legacy constraints is the baseline requirement for building an AI-first workforce. This architecture enables agentic workflows, a shift from AI that simply analyzes data to AI that takes autonomous action. Organizations using this stack see a 40% faster time to market and maintain zero operational downtime, even during massive traffic spikes. SoftChoice and Worldwide Technology unite the infrastructure expertise and the application development needed to build the specific digital employee experience. Our Cloud Done Right framework ensures this new environment remains optimized for cost, is strictly governed, and compliant with enterprise security standards. The first step is a SoftChoice App Mod assessment to identify the quick wins in your current estate and map out your migration roadmap. It is time to stop managing hardware and start building customer outcomes. Your journey from legacy to leading begins